friends, welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Some landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, required to present photo ID at check-in. Accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. And enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or please check link in the description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room, then you can help us by please share your till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.